Welcome back, everyone. Now that we've talked about identifying your musical goals, let's delve into another important factor when choosing your instrument: your preferred genre of music. Have you decided yet? Maybe you already have an instrument choice already, but you're not sure about a particular genre. Or maybe you know your genre, but are interested in several instruments. Maybe you just want to be in a band as part of a social activity and you are less concerned about what instrument you play or what music the band makes. Your decisions are unique to you. Own them and follow your instincts. We'll explore a range of genres, from jazz and blues to pop and electronic, and discuss which instruments are commonly associated with each. So it's time for the call to action. To help you make an informed decision, we've prepared a genre instrument match chart that you can download and refer to later. Now, think about the genre that resonates with you the most. It's another piece of the puzzle in finding your ideal instrument.